Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic equation. The quiz contains the basic operation plus multiplication and division. So we have to solve this quiz using PAMDAS and word mass method and find out the correct. In the answer list we have four answers. A is 0, B is 3, C is 6 and D is 9. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Now let's talk about what are the rules which we can follow to solve the given expression. Here we will discuss two rules, BODMAS and PAMDAS. These rules we can apply to solve any arithmetic expression. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first. After the bracket, you have to see the power of any number. If your expression contains any number which has the power, so you have to solve that part. Step number 3, you have to solve division and multiplication. Both has similar precedence, so you can solve any of them which is coming first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first, and we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. Now move forward to solve the given expression. According to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, first of all, we have to solve the bracket. So here we have one bracket, this one, which is 2 plus 4. So first of all, we have to solve this bracket. Here we have bracket and parenthesis. So we will highlight this one, and 2 plus it becomes 6. Multiply by 3, multiply by minus 6. We will write here as it is, and divided by minus 6, we can write as it is. And here we have to give the reference like 2 plus 4 equals to 6. Now move forward, step number 2. Step number 1 is bracket and parenthesis. We have two more bracket, but this is only one number. So because of this minus sign, so we will solve when we will use multiplication. So now step number 2, we have to see the exponent or order of operation. So in this expression, we do not have any number which has the power, so we can skip this step as well. Now we move forward to solve the division and multiplication. Actually, both division and multiplication we can solve simultaneously. You can say like we can solve in parallel because both has the same precedence. So what you have to do, we have to go first left to right and see which operation is coming. So 12 divided by 6, we will write 12 divided by 6 equals to 2, multiply by 3, multiply by minus 6, and divided by 4, minus 4. And here we have to give the reference like 12 divided by 6 equals to 2. Now move forward, we have to solve again division and multiplication. So now we have to multiply by 3. This part which is become 6, multiply by minus 6 and divided by minus 4. We will write here as it is. And here we have to give the reference like 2 multiplied by 3 equals to 6. Now move forward, step number 2. Multiplication we have solved. Now move forward again left to right and find out which is coming first. So now we have 6 multiplied by minus 6. So what we have to do, 6 multiplied by minus 6, it becomes minus 36. Divided by minus 4, we will write here as it is. And here we have to give the reference 6 multiplied by minus 6 equals, minus 6 equals to minus 36. Now move forward. We have two terms now, and between them a division sign. So first of all, we have to divide these two terms, 36 divided by 4, which becomes 9. And here we have the minus sign, and other in the denominator we also have the minus sign. So this minus we will cut from this minus. So the answer will be in plus. So it becomes like plus 9. If Here we have the 1 minus sign in numerator or in denominator. So we get the answer is minus 9. But because we have the sign minus in both numerator and denominator, so that's why we will write 9. So if you see the answer list, so answer D is the correct answer of this expression. So I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye.